GyanSys is a partner that we could see empowering our future growth because of their innovative approach to problem solving in the business world. I'm Brian Gustin, Senior Director of Customer Operations and Fulfillment for Crocs Footwear. There's lots of companies that you could go to for a Salesforce implementation, but in this day and age with the evolution of technology, I would say it's very important to have somebody who is keeping abreast of that. GyanSys was a great partner for us on this project because you could really feel they lived up to their motto of being big enough to deliver, small enough to care. They had the expertise and the resources to get the job done, but also really paid attention to the details and our needs. If I had to say one thing that GyanSys impressed me on the most in this, was their challenging back to the client on, could you do it differently? Could you do it better? In the end, I think that left us with a solution that will scale differently and better for future implementations, and frankly, saved us money. GyanSys took accountability and was able to deliver a great product. I would recommend GyanSys to anyone who is looking for a Salesforce partner. They just really went above and beyond in trying to understand our business, work countless hours to make sure that they delivered happiness to us.